Ngoyia. In Mende, it means unity. And there's no better way to describe how the people of Bandajuma Togboma are working together to rebuild and grow their town.
Almost.
Bandajuma is one of the first communities where Welthungerhilfe has been implementing the EU-funded PROACT initiative in the eastern provinces of Sierra Leone. Cocoa and coffee are the two key cash crops of the east and provide much of the income for farm households in the region. In Bandajuma, Welthungerhilfe is supporting the community as they rehabilitate their cocoa plantations by providing farmer education and training that encourages enhanced production practices. These improved farming methods like pruning, the establishment of nurseries, and the use of solar drying booths have increased Bandajuma's production of certified organic cocoa and expanded their income.
There have been a lot of positive impacts. Now most farmers are going back to the farms because now the farmers are getting premium prices because they are now selling certified cocoa.
Welthungerhilfe is also working to improve the nutritional status of women and children through their LAN program. LAN encourages crop diversification and provides cooking and nutrition classes for both men and women to fight gender-related food taboos in the community.
Because Ngoyia,
today, EU-funded initiatives like PROACT have reoriented to provide a rapid response to COVID-19. PROACT partners are continuing to protect and support rural communities all over the country by delivering sanitation supplies like canisters and soap. They're also conducting awareness campaigns on important safety protocols like social distancing and hand washing. Sierra Leone has overcome war and disease in its recent past. There are lessons to be learned from the resilience and hard work of communities like Bandajuma. With Ngoyia, unity, we can and will get through these trying times, even if now standing together means doing so at a distance.